Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to cancel your Nitro subscription in Discord. So without further ado, let us begin. So all you have to do first is open up Discord and then log in your account. So if you have a Nitro subscription and you want to cancel it, so basically all you have to do is just go to settings and then just go to subscriptions. So once you're in subscriptions, all you have to do is go to this area right here that says Discord Nitro, and then there'll be an option right here that says cancel. So just click on cancel, and then another option that will pop up that will say, are you sure you want to cancel the subscription? So just click on OK. And then once you click OK, it will be done. So you're now done in canceling your subscription. And then let's say you want to resubscribe to the subscription. So all you have to do is just click on resubscribe over here and then just input your payment details, and then you'll be able to resubscribe to the subscription. So yeah, that is how you cancel your Nitro subscription in Discord.